Family-Entertainment brings you a new guideline to navigate the digital world. In today's fast-paced digital world, misinformation has become a rampant issue. Viral content, while often entertaining or engaging, can sometimes amplify false narratives. In this video, we'll explore practical ways to identify fake news and become more discerning consumers of online information. The Digital Age Challenge. With information spreading at lightning speed, it's easier than ever for falsehoods to reach a massive audience. Viral content, as a catalyst, memes, videos, and sensational posts can rapidly amplify misleading information, creating a snowball effect. The need for media literacy, critical thinking skills, and media literacy are essential tools for navigating the information overload. Sensationalist headlines and clickbait titles. Be wary of headlines that make exaggerated claims or use all caps and excessive punctuation. Lack of credible sources. Articles or posts without verifiable references are a major red flag. Check if the information is backed by reputable sources. Questionable author credentials. Investigate the author's expertise or background. If they lack qualifications or have a history of spreading misinformation, proceed with caution. Emotional language. Posts designed to provoke outrage, fear, or extreme emotion often aim to cloud judgment and spread falsehoods. Reliable fact-checking tools, like websites such as Snopes, factcheck.org, and PolitiFact, can help verify claims. Cross-referencing information is crucial. Always check multiple reputable sources to confirm the accuracy of a story. Investigate the domain and publication history of the website hosting the content. Legitimate news outlets have a track record of responsible journalism and are transparent about ownership. Avoid sharing misinformation. Think before you click share. Amplifying unverified content contributes to the problem. Engage in respectful dialogue with friends or family who might share false information and provide them with accurate resources. Report misinformation by using reporting tools on social media platforms to flag false or misleading content. Follow credible news sources, subscribe to trustworthy outlets, and follow journalists known for ethical reporting. Develop a healthy skepticism by questioning sensational claims and analyzing the motives behind a piece of content. Adapt to evolving tactics. Stay updated on new forms of misinformation, including deep fakes and AI-generated fake news. By staying informed, practicing critical thinking, and utilizing the tips outlined in this video, you can play an active role in combating the spread of fake news. Together, we can foster a more informed and discerning online community.